Hi, I'm Lungi. I'm one of the director of Deco Home Tech. We're under a DoMore Foundation Township Economy. Now we run our fully fledged business where we host women living with disability in our Woodwork company. We make toys for Early Childhood Center or ECD locally.
Some of the challenges that we face in Hammersdale as youth is a lack of job opportunities. We can go all the way and finish our matric, but there will be no work for you. That is why my partner and I decided to start our own business, our woodwork business. I decided to work with disabled people because most of the time they were not given the opportunity to do things like woodwork.
As the DoMore Foundation, we are so proud of our Do Play project, an innovative initiative that empowers disabled youth by providing them with woodworking skills, allowing them to use waste and reclaimed wood to create basic wooden toys. These toys, in turn, enable essential cognitive development learning outcomes for young children within vulnerable communities of South Africa. Through our DoMore Play program, many disabled youth have now been upskilled with woodworking skills. They now receive an extra set of income, and more than anything, they have a purpose every day, creating beautiful toys that enable learning through play. This program has enabled over 14,000 young children to receive essential cognitive development play equipment.
And Plummet.
Yes.
And this one.
Yes.
And this one. And this shape is.
This program has allowed over 470 ECD centers in rural and vulnerable communities of South Africa to now receive much needed resources. This amazing project would not be possible if it was not for the power of partnerships, together collaborating with organizations to make this a reality. Thank you to CHEP, our partner, which enables this program by donating waste wood. We thank APD, the Association for Physically Disabled, who help us to access disabled youth, help us to match the skills of the young people and enable this program to move and grow in the different communities of South Africa. Thank you to our many partners.
We are so grateful to the DoMore Foundation and CHEP for partnering with us with Breda Valley APD on the wonderful Youth Ability Woodwork project. Through this project, we provided youth with disabilities with wonderful opportunities for skills training and even earning an income by selling the wooden products they have made through this project. Again, what a great collaboration in providing opportunities for skills training, development, and even social development of the youth with disabilities. Thank you, DoMore and CHEP. We appreciate it.
Good morning. Thank you for involving people with a disability in this woodwork program to making the toy kits. It gives them a reason to stand up in the morning to make the toys for children to play with and for them earning some money. Thank you for everyone involving persons with a disability because they are so often forgotten about. So thank you very much for everyone involved.
opportunity that you gave for the person with disability to make toys to play with, for the children to play with. Thank you very much.